In this video, we're going to show you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. Syncing your Obsidian Vault with Google Drive can help you access your notes across multiple devices while also providing an additional layer of backup protection. Whether you're managing personal knowledge, research projects, work documents, study materials, or daily notes, keeping your vault synchronized can make your workflow much more flexible. However, many users are unsure how to safely connect Obsidian with a cloud storage service. Without proper setup, it can be difficult to keep files updated across devices and ensure that changes are properly synchronized. The good news is that because Obsidian stores notes as regular files and folders, you can use Google Drive to synchronize your vault and keep your notes accessible from different locations. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive and keep your vault backed up and available across devices. So, let's get started. The first step is to install Google Drive for Desktop on your computer if it isn't already installed. Once Google Drive is installed and signed in, allow it to create a synchronized folder on your device. Next, locate your existing Obsidian vault or create a new vault if needed. Now, move the Obsidian Vault folder into your Google Drive synchronized folder. Wait for Google Drive to finish uploading the vault files. Depending on the size of your vault, this may take a moment. Once the upload is complete, open Obsidian. If you moved an existing vault, use the Open Folder as Vault option and select the vault from its new location inside Google Drive. After opening the vault, verify that your notes appear correctly. Next, install Google Drive on any additional devices where you want access to the same vault. Sign in with the same Google account and allow the vault folder to synchronize. Then open the synchronized vault in Obsidian on those devices. As you edit notes, Google Drive will automatically update the files and synchronize changes between connected devices. It's a good idea to allow synchronization to finish before opening the vault on another device to help avoid conflicts. Regularly checking that synchronization is working correctly can help ensure your notes remain current and protected. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, install Google Drive and create a synchronized folder. Second, move your Obsidian Vault into the Google Drive location. And third, open the synchronized vault on your devices and allow Google Drive to keep files updated. Remember that syncing your vault can provide both convenience and additional protection for your notes. Having access to your information across multiple devices can make your workflow more flexible and efficient. This is especially useful for students, researchers, professionals, content creators, and anyone who regularly works with notes on multiple computers. Taking a few minutes to set up synchronization today can make accessing and protecting your notes much easier in the future. And that's how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.